Hi dear everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. So here given a voltage V of t in equation of cos, that is 120 into cos of 370 plus 45 degrees volts. So whenever this voltage is there in the circuit, this much current was derived, that is 10 into cos of 370 minus 10 degrees amperes. Then how can you find the instantaneous power and average power in the circuit? So whenever the problem asks how to find instantaneous power, means just simplify, means by multiply these two equations. Simply multiply these two equations, so then it becomes V of t into I of t. It gives instantaneous power. So this is V of t. So 120 into cos of 370 plus 45 degrees into, next I of t is 10 into cos of 370 minus 10 degrees amperes. So 120 into 10, nothing but 1200. So now it is in the form of cos A into cos B. We can simplify this furtherly by applying trigonometric standard formulas. So here cos A into cos B is there. So we know that the standard formula of cos A into cos B formula, that is cos A into cos B, can be written as half of cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. So this is the standard formula. So let's consider this is A and this is B. Now substitute this A value and B value in this equation, then we get, so half is there, so 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B, that is this value plus this value, 370 plus 45 plus 370 minus 10 into cos of A minus B. So 370 minus 373, it will cancel, so 45 degrees, so minus or minus plus 10 degrees. 2 ones 2, so here 200 only, because 120 into 10 1200, so here it becomes 600, not 12k. So 600 into cos of 370 plus 370, nothing but 754 t plus 45 minus 10, that is plus 35 degrees into cos of 55 degrees. So this is the instantaneous power. Now how can you find the average power? Very important here. Here phases are there. So there is a phases are there. So due to that, the average power formula, that is average power equal to, so V RMS into I RMS into cos of change in phases. So change in phase of voltage, it is delta V minus delta I. So this is phase in voltage and this is phase in current. V RMS nothing but, so in voltage equation, this is the maximum amplitude, that is that by root 2 into, and IRMS is nothing but the maximum amplitude by root 2 into cos of the phase. Here 45, so 45 minus of, so minus 10 is there, so minus or minus plus 10, it becomes 120 into 10 by 2 into cos of 55, so it becomes 600 into cos of 55 degrees. By using calculator, we will get 344.2 watts. So this is the average power for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.